All right, this is it, our last walkthrough for 134 North Josephine out here in Waterford. We bought this house early January, and now we're in February, and this house is done. The last thing we got coming are rocks. Those are gonna be coming in the next 2 hours to go over the driveway to add a nice finished look. We added this downspout to prevent water from getting into the basement. Where we're going, since we're in Michigan, we couldn't paint the outside of this house, but that's all right. We got everything else done. So I'll bring you guys in the living room. So we got the new baseboard and got the new floor. Let's see, painted. Lights look awesome. Bring you guys over here. We got all the new doors. So we got the bathroom. This is a 3-bed now, 1-bath house. We added another bedroom in the basement. All nice clean. We just had the cleaning ladies here yesterday. And then photographers coming on Thursday. We got a big snowstorm tomorrow in Michigan. So we're getting it all ready for that. All right, and then we got the kitchen. Voila! So this is we ripped out all the cabinets. We got new shaker style cabinets. We got the brand new granite. We got a gas range over here, which I'm super pumped about. Look at that.
Hate to say it, this one's nicer than yours.
I know. And then fridge. I love this backsplash. This backsplash is my favorite. So this is a 800 square foot house. There was the 2 bedrooms and the 1 bathroom. And then we came in, we added another bedroom down here. So when you come on down, we got this LVP flooring into the bedroom down here. So you can count this as a bedroom because we have the egress window. And now we added an extra 100 and something finished square footage to this house. So we turned this house from an 800 square foot house to like a 900 and change square foot house. From a 2-bed, 1-bath to a 3-bed, 1-bath. It's a lot more desirable. We just got the appraisal on this house yesterday. We're super excited. So we'll be listing this house for $127,000 this coming week. And just a little PSA, we buy houses in Oakland and Macomb County. We're doing 2 a month right now. So if you or someone else you know has a house that needs some work, you may be behind on your mortgage or property taxes, or you inherited a property, or just a tired landlord, I get it. I don't like being a landlord either. So we can give you a fair cash offer. You can either call 248-783-8009. That's 248-783-8009. My assistant's gonna pick up. They'll ask some basic information about the property, and either me or Mike Sr. will come out and we'll help you out. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.